puzzle box. I love puzzle boxes. And here are the instructions. I'm not going to look at them. Actually, I can't even see what they're doing because, like, I'm looking at the camera. It's, like, mirrored, so I can't see what they're actually saying. So, let's just open this thing up. Good gracious. All right. Let's see. Okay. Well, that's a plastic. Okay. Off! Get off me! All right. Very staticky. It's full of static. Good gracious. Yeah, that was amazing. Already out to a good start. There we go. Fine. All right. Let's see here. All right, I can already see that this is already misaligned. So, all right, I can hear something. All right, so let's see here. Oh, see that? So I reckon this moves. Let's see here. Oh, oh, oh! There we go. There's no mechanism for that. It's just a pull-out thing. Okay. Well, that's one thing all one and done. Let's see here. What else? There appears to be more? Question mark? No, yeah, this is supposed to, this compartment right here. Yeah, look, this compartment is supposed to, I see. I was supposed to take that out first, and now I can work on sliding this out. Okay, let's see here. So, let's see here. What's not connected? So, these two things are not connected. This is going to be longer than 3 minutes. I intended this to be a short, but it won't. Sawdust in there. Okay, anyways. So this slides somehow or another. Gosh. I know y'all are just screaming at me in the comments saying, look at the instructions, look at the instructions. That's not the point of a puzzle box. You don't look at the instructions. Let's see here. To all of you saying, you're gonna break it. Yeah, I know I run the risk of that. But you run the risk with that with every puzzle box, even if you follow the instructions. Something that I've been encountering recently on every puzzle box that I've had is to hold it sideways. So maybe hold it sideways and push. No? What moves? Okay, so this. No, wait. Okay, hang on a minute. Okay, so right here, there's this part is supposed to come down. That's where like that. So, oh, something's moving. Oh, there we go. Oh, I see how this works. It's these pins. They're pins, and they lock it in. Okay, that's clever. That's clever. Let's see here. Maybe this one too. Possibly, maybe. No, that's not it. Let's just push. Oh. All right. Well, there we go. You can see all the sawdust. Gracious. This was handmade. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Yes. All right. Well, now I'm going to keep all the stolen money that I have in here. I'm kidding. I don't actually have any stolen money. Now, how do I put this back together? That's another. There we go. Didn't break it, did I? No, I didn't. Okay. Yeah, no, it shows on the box that this piece is supposed to come off. Okay. Let's see here. It's supposed to slide in here like this. Okay, yeah. There we go. I better be careful with these like wooden pegs, because these do not look like the most stable things in the world. They're just being held on by some glue. Could you imagine if that broke inside the box as I'm trying to pull it out? That would just be a day ruiner. Okay. I don't know what I'm going to store in here. Probably, you know what? I'm going to write just a little piece of paper of video ideas and store it in here. But yeah. Puzzle box. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll probably show off my other 2 puzzle boxes.